Hey everyone, my name is Deidré, and in this video I'll be answering what is the best shoes to buy that ticks all the boxes of an ideal shoe. Let's take a look. When you go to buy your shoes, make sure that someone is qualified within the store to measure your feet, and then give you advice on the types of shoes that are best for your foot type. Once you've done that, here are the features that you need to consider. Heel height. Make sure the heel height is no more than 3 to 3.5 centimeters. Any more than that can lead to injuries such as ankle sprains that can lead to further complications later on in life. Material. Breathable materials such as leather is always best to allow air to get inside the shoes to prevent infections. Stability is really important to prevent injuries such as ankle sprains. Fastenings, laces and velcros are best because poorly fitted shoes can lead to rubbing, causing pain and discomfort. Let me know in the comments if you found that useful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.